Hello, this is Alexandra from Gulla Law Office, and welcome to the Legal For You channel. Today we're tackling a crucial topic for any foreigner thinking about buying property in Poland. Who is considered a foreigner under Polish law when it comes to purchasing real estate? This might seem like a simple question, but the answer is incredibly important and has significant consequences for the entire buying process. In Poland, a special act of law regulates the purchase of real estate by foreigners. In many cases, it requires a special permit from the Minister of Internal Affairs and Administration. Ignoring these rules can lead to one very serious consequence: your purchase agreement becoming legally void. So, let's find out who exactly these regulations apply to. The first category is an individual. The rule is very simple. You are a foreigner if you do not have Polish citizenship. And here's a very important point. Having Polish ancestry or possessing a Karta Polaka, the Polish charter, does not change this status. Under this law, only citizenship matters. The second category is a company with a registered office abroad. A foreigner is also any legal entity, such as a company, that has its official headquarters outside of Poland. It doesn't matter who owns the company. Even if you are Polish, but your company is registered in, for example, Germany, that company will be treated as a foreigner in Poland. The third category is the so-called controlled Polish company. And this is the trap I mentioned at the beginning. A company registered in Poland can be considered a foreigner. This happens if it is controlled by foreigners. What does controlled mean? To put it simply, it refers to a situation where a foreigner or a group of foreigners holds more than 50% of the voting rights at the shareholders' meeting. So, if you plan to set up a company in Poland to buy property through it, and you will hold the majority of votes, your Polish company must comply with the requirements for foreigners. Let's summarize. To know if you need a special permit to buy property in Poland, first check if you are an individual without Polish citizenship, a company with its registered office outside of Poland, or if you own a Polish company in which you hold over 50% of the votes. Here's my practical advice. Before you sign any contract or pay a deposit, be absolutely certain of your legal status. A mistake at this stage is the most common source of problems. Consulting with a lawyer at the very beginning can save you a lot of time and money. I hope this episode was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Legal For You channel and give it a thumbs up. It really helps me reach more people. Do you have any questions? Ask them in the comments below. In the next video, I will explain exactly what the permit is, who needs to get it, and what the entire procedure looks like. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.